Envis technology from Shenzhen, and they also have a manufacturer in Zhongshan City. And we just saw one of their production line is Aurora Lighting downlights. Well, next company is from Shenzhen as well. It's also have from Shenzhen, Jaguar Automation Equipment Company. Jaguar. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. I heard you. Hi, Jaguar. Welcome.
Nona from Jaguar Automation.
Hi, I'm Jane. Hi, I'm Jane.
Nice to meet you, Jane.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? Are you Nona?
Yeah, Nona.
Nona. Hi, so nice to meet you. Nona, would you like to turn on your camera, please?
I'm glad to attend this online exhibition. Maybe our company is a little special. I have heard see the former manufacturers. They are all LED manufacturer. Yeah.
Okay.
Our company's products is they all can be our customer, because our product is electronics manufacture machines.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Nona, wow, your English is really good. Your English
thank you.
It's really good. I curious that you are a automation equipment LED focused manufacturer in Shenzhen. Yeah.
Yeah. Our company is our Shenzhen Jaguar Automation is a professional reflow oven and weave solder manufacturer in Shenzhen. And we focus on SMT and THT soldering technology for over 10 years. And our engineers have more than 20 years experience.
Wow, that's great.
We are certified national high-tech enterprise since 2017.
Yeah,
and integrated R&D, manufacture, service, trade, and all our products have CE certifications. Our products are widely recognized at our domestic market as well as overseas market. I can tell you our products sold to over 35 countries and regions.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Hi, Nona. Hey. Excuse me. I'm sorry to interrupt. Is that maybe we have some more functions, because I cannot see you through the camera.
You cannot see me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly and loud, but I cannot see your face.
Let me check.
Oh, don't worry. It happens. Don't worry. Take your time.
Maybe
turn on the camera.
Is it because sorry, I forget to open the
open. Now I see you. Hi, now I see you. What a fun time.
Because our products is machines and very huge, and since our factory is in decorating, so I take you to our customers' website.
Thank you.
Okay, let me show you.
I love your smile. You smell really pretty. I love your smile and your accent of English. Yeah.
Can you see?
I can see. Wow.
This is one of our customer. This customer also manufacture LED, different LED. They are EMS factory, can do design and manufacture for customers. And here I will show you one of our main machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the production line. The workers put the components on the PCB, and then we'll enter to our wave soldering machine for soldering. Here, this product is LED drivers.
LED driver, okay.
Yeah, LED drivers. And our machine is for soldering this component on the in the PCB.
Can you switch the camera?
Soldering's main job.
Okay. Can you let a bit switch the camera and let us see?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Wow. It's LED ceiling. Yeah.
Yeah. This is a LED manufacturer.
Mm-hmm.
They can do different LED.
Yep.
And our machine also can help them to making different LED products and other electronic products. Yeah.
Great. Mm-hmm.
Let me show you another of our product. It's with SMT in SMT9 and reflow oven. Yeah, let me.
Yeah. This is SMT workshop. Yeah.
Workshop.
That's great. How large is that? This
workshop is a little noisy.
Oh, don't worry, I can hear you clearly.
So you can hear very. I can speak loudly. Okay.
And your voice now is perfect. It's perfect.
This is a semi-auto printer.
Okay.
Here you can
printer.
see workers put the software PCB on the panel. Then we'll put it in on the printer to print solder plastic. And this.
Okay.
This is. Can you see? This is pick and place machine.
Okay, I see. What's the function?
Then can you see?
Yeah.
LED bulb PCB.
Yeah, LED bulbs.
Yeah, this is our machine. This machine is reflow oven. Another main product, also for soldering.
Oh, Jaguar automation. I see.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
You can see the PCB assembly well.
Assembling well. Oh, I see. Oh. Your technicians are very focused.
Sorry, I come out.
No, you're doing very good. You need
because
to keep
the
quiet.
website is too noisy.
Oh, I see. So keep the voice down. It's so real. It's so real environmental. Thank you. Thanks so much. Hi.
Our company can provide the turnkey solution for SMT and the GIP9. Yes. So all the LED manufacturer and electronic manufacturers all can be our customer.
Yeah, I see. Wow, thank you, Nona. Thank you. Your introduction is really real, and I just love your smile, and I love your laugh. Your voice is really impressive, and yeah, it's touching my heart. I really love your smile and the introduction. Thank you. And
Thank you.
SMT, the workshop tour is really good. And actually, it's my first time I visit a real workshop in this angle, and you just bring me just like I'm walking side of you. Thank you. Thanks for your introduction. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm glad to introduce our company and our product to all customers, all people.
Yeah. Yes. That's our main goal. That we want to produce and promote our products and our clients and our factories onto the overseas. Everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Lona. Thank you. Okay. So see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.